Good morning. Welcome back to the Retirement Report. I'm Hank Parrott, your host. With me, my good friend, special guest, Russ Cook with Russ Cook & Associates over in Brentwood, Tennessee. We've been talking estate planning, and one of the areas one last thing, by the way, again, if you go in to see Russ, his normal fee is going to be for that initial consultation is $375. If you come through my office, Russ has been so gracious as to waive that fee, so you can meet with him and talk about your estate planning concerns and see if you want to engage his services to help you. All you got to do is be one of the first 10 callers to my office, 615-376-5325. Jess and Tess are standing by. They'll get your information. They're going to send you out a little packet to fill out. It's basically just your basic name, address, that kind of stuff. And then we'll also send you a checklist of things you need to bring. Okay, so for estate planning, of course, if you have a will or powers of attorney or a trust or whatever it might be, you'll want to bring those in to be reviewed and to talk about, are there changes that you want to make, or are there maybe some things that you've put in there or think that are in there that may not be in there. And that's one of the things I've run across many times in looking over people's estate plans is as we go through them, we find, and they describe to me what it is they want, and then I read their document, I'm saying that's not what you have. Like, this is not going to do what you just explained to me you want. We may want to get a second opinion in here to show you how you can fix that. So all of that, and again, plus the full retirement income analysis and full, comprehensive financial plan for the first 10 callers, 615-376-5325. Jess and Tess, again, are standing by. They'll get your information. They'll send you out the packet and the checklist to come in to see me, the things you'll need when you come in to see me. And again, for those that come in, I'll give you a free copy of my book, 7 Steps to Financial Freedom in Retirement, again, at no cost. All right, we were talking a little bit about irrevocable trusts, and we were talking also about special needs trusts specifically. How these are structured. This is a big part of it. When you're getting into special needs trusts, as an example, think in terms of you're, again, creating this trust, how the monies are going to be held, how they're going to be invested, all the things that go in that. That's, again, where these coordination comes in. This isn't something you have to do on your own. All right, when we work as a team, what we're doing is we're sitting with you and getting the information that we need from you to make things happen. But then we do most all of the work. There's very little you have to do after that. We take care of everything for you. Same thing goes when something goes to your family member. Okay, if it's going to, whether it's a surviving spouse, whether it's a child, whether we're talking, some of the special needs things we've got into, or a special needs child, all of this, the team is still there for them. Okay, they're going to be there to help that surviving spouse take care of, making those decisions, the tax decisions, the income decisions, the changes that they've just, had happen, what the impacts that's going to have, and how to navigate that and make sure that they're still able to attain their standard of living and quality of life, no matter what life may throw their way, medical issues, transitioning, things that can happen with home health care and assisted living, all those kind of things. We're there to help. We stay with you throughout. This is one of the things with the type of planning we do. We're with you for life, okay? We're with you to help you through all the different things life's going to bring your way. When it goes to your children and even grandchildren, if you get into special needs, we're going to be there to help who you're looking for people basically when you're, let's say, for a special needs child, who's the person that's going to be able to take care of the money, take care of making medical decisions and other things. Someone with good judgment, someone, of course, that cares for that child and is going to be there to take care of them. But also, they don't need to know all this other stuff, okay? We're going to have the attorney that's going to be helping them. Russ is going to be there to help them. I'm going to be there to help them with the financial stuff, to advise them, to help them navigate that stuff, to make sure we can answer their questions. Again, make sure they don't run out of money. Make sure that the money lasts, where they can spend the money, how they can invest the money. All those types of things we help them with as a part of the planning. So it's not just getting the plan set up front. It's also how we continue to work with the family throughout and how we work together. So it's like regular reviews, it's like making sure we're staying on top of the plan staying intact, and as life happens that we adjust the plan to accommodate those things. What's our ultimate goal? The biggest fear is running out of money. We don't want to run out of money. We want to be able to attain and maintain our standard of living and quality of life no matter how long we live. That's our goals, right? That's what everybody wants. So if you want to figure that out for yourself, we can help you with that. I hope this has been a big help to you. In fact, this week on the Retirement Report, and join me here, please, each and every week on the Retirement Report.
The time is